ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Smriti Dhyana. Sit in a comfortable position. Keep the back erect. Align the head with the back. Adopt Chin Mudra in hands. Allow your eyes to close gently. Relax the muscles of the back and the abdomen. So relax the muscles of the face and the shoulders. Prepare your mind for the meditation. Advantages. Smriti Dhyana. It improves memory. It increases self-awareness. Helps you to understand your actions, thoughts and emotions. Meditation starts now. Take a awareness on the breath. Feel the rhythm. Withdraw the mind. Now recall and review everything that happened yesterday from morning to evening, step by step. You should remember morning activities, conversations, work and tasks, meals, important events, and evening activities. Try to remember step by step. Withdraw the mind gently. Rub the palms. Massage the eyelids gently. Then open your eyes with few blinks. First look at the palms. Then look at around you. You feel fresh. You can practice 2 times a day. Once in the morning and once in the night.